Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today my husband and I are going to show you the installation of this faucet. So if you're interested in that process, just keep watching. To get started, let's get it unboxed and I'll show you the pieces and parts. So you get all of your hose pieces, you get your tools, and then underneath here are all of the fixture pieces. So your faucet, your knobs, your drain, and then the weight that will allow the end of the faucet to pull back in. They do provide a very simple installation guide. However, it does not show the drain portion, but it was super simple to install. Just unscrew the pieces, place the drain, and then reconnect them from the bottom, making sure that the foam gasket is in the middle, and then secure the nut. Next, we connected the drain pipe to the P-trap, and the drain was complete. We then prepared the handles by removing the nut and washer and placed it in the appropriate hole, where we then reconnected the pieces to secure it in place. And then repeat the same process for the next handle. Then was the faucet. Again, just remove the parts, place it in the hole, and get everything reconnected and secured. Next, we get the weight prepared by removing one screw and loosening the other so that it can fit around the faucet hose. The proper placement is marked with tape, so it's quick and easy to get attached. Then connect the hot and cold hoses, starting with the handle side, and then connect them to the appropriate water lines. Last but not least, take the Y hose and get it connected to both handles and then to the faucet hose, and just like that, installation is complete. Alright, so there you have it. Aside from a few little hiccups or just having to figure out a better way for us to do things based on our situation, everything was pretty simple and self-explanatory. We did have that issue with the instruction manual not guiding us on the drain, but again, that was something that was pretty simple to figure out, and we've had previous installation of faucets before, so we had some previous knowledge. But I hope that our installation video was helpful to you guys. We absolutely love the faucets. They look great in our master bathroom and they are going to be enjoyed for years to come. So if you guys were looking to upgrade your vanity faucet, I think these are a great option and I would definitely give these a try.